About to land.
Landing.
It's pretty cool. That's all she wrote. So that's my third flight for the what was that, Skyrover X1. So yeah, I'm gonna see about taking it out to the park maybe tomorrow, and we'll give it some more. We'll test all the various settings on it, but yeah, I feel a little more comfortable with it. Anyway, did I even record that on I hope I did. No, I didn't. Dang. Alright, I'm going to take it up one more time so I can record. Because I didn't record. Oh, that's frustrating. Alright. So, we'll take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
Okay. It went up higher this time. It went up higher that time. It's going up even higher. Yeah. So that was weird how it didn't. It's like it didn't go up as high last time. Oh, here, let's go ahead and do a 180. I didn't record it the first time. The gimbal down so you can see the river. Point all the way down so you can see me. There I am. Alright, let's go and tell it to land. Come back home, little guy. Come on, little buddy. That's where I can still control it. It's landing. Awesome. Oh, at least I recorded that one. Finally. Alright. I guess that's all I got.